every time we ask you guys what you like to eat, say we want to make banana pudding, you say pretzels. Beer cheese, you also say pretzels. So tonight, we're making pretzels. We have cinnamon sugar, OG, and we have garlic butter Parmesan. The garlic butter Parmesan has butter, garlic, onion, and then we are gonna finish it off with some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Best cheese in the world.
So we're developing beer and cider recipes, and we really want to focus on having local flavors in our beers and ciders. So maybe you have some pears or muscadines that are grown in your yard that would be great to be featured in one of our beers or ciders. Let me know. I really want to get those flavors into our beers.
Next week, we're not gonna do pretzels, but we appreciate you wanting us to. Why don't you guys leave us some comments and tell us how much you love pretzels and how much you want to eat pretzels with beer cheese and pretzels, pretzels, pretzels.